Let us recite the new national anthem together. 1, 2, go. Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigeria's own and proud to serve our sovereign motherland. Our flag shall be a symbol that truth and justice reign. In peace and battle honor, and this we count as gain, to hold on to our children a banner without stain. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed. New national anthem. How many of you can recite it? The truth is, whether we like it or not, we are still going to learn this new national anthem. That is the truth. Oh yeah, guys, rate me now. Rate me now. Go and learn it. Go and learn yours. Go and learn yours. What to do now? Nigeria, God will help us. God will help us. Yeah. So guys, if you want to do this entering into a crack wall, you need a wall like this. You can just knock. Knock on the door. Then, so this is what you need to do. You need to knock on the gates. I'm just going to light it and then just look at what I'm going to do. Guys, it went off. It went off. This is what we go through. So guys, put your phone on a tripod stand, and if, as you can see, I'm wearing one shoe like this. So for this tutorial, so I'm just going to add the first character. We are adding 2 characters in this video. I'm going to add the first character, and I'm going to kind of do my leg like this. You move to the other side, and then you just kneel down. This is one thing that editing tutorial will turn you to an actress or an actor. You start acting. So you just kneel down and you do as if you are pleading, you are begging. You are begging, please, you are begging. Do you understand?